I work on a number of different Laravel projects throughout a given year, and I'm always kind of a little saddened when I see the state of documentation. I can't tell you how many times I've opened up a project that's been in existence for years, and the first thing I look at is the README, and it's the default Laravel README. Nothing about the actual project that I'm about to work on. So today I want to talk about documentation, but one specific aspect of it, and that is documenting our Composer custom commands or scripts. So let's take a look at a composer.json file, and you can see I'm in the scripts definition, and I have a number of different scripts defined, and these are pretty straightforward. Like if you look at them, you can kind of get a sense for, like, I can probably guess what IDE helper update does. And certainly if I look at the output, I'll have a sense of it. But we can do better. There's actually an additional scripts descriptions tag or section of this file. Let me scroll down. There it is. Where for each of my custom commands, I can give just a simple text description of what it does. And this PHPCS is a good one because by default, like if I run PHPCS, is it fixing the issues or is it just reporting the issues? Like I can see that if I look at this description. So this is a very simple thing to do, but let's look at some of the benefits we get from it. So for example, if I run, let me make this a little bit bigger. If I run composer list, I will see not only all of the built-in and all of the custom commands, but I'll see things like my PHPCS and fix and my description right next to it. Even better, let's say I type a partial command, like I just put in TE instead of putting tests or test in there. When it asks, like, hey, what did you mean? It's also showing me the command and the description. So a very simple thing, but it's such a nice quality of life improvement. And honestly, it would probably take you maybe 3 or 4 minutes to do this in your project. So take a look, see, especially if there's anything unclear, what description could you add to make it more clear to the developer that comes behind you. Now, one small tip, you cannot specify a description for one of the built-in commands. Composer does not allow it. But for any of your custom commands that you've added, you certainly can do that. So give it a try. And if you'd like help on your project, head over to masteringlaravel.io and see how we can help you.